All right, what's up, y'all? I want to make a little bit of a different video today. I want to make a video geared towards newbies where I want to talk about how you get involved in cryptocurrency, how to buy it and sell it, how to invest in cryptocurrency, what it takes, kind of the things you need to know. And yeah, so let's delve into this. Actually, before I do, at the end of the video, I'm going to take the opportunity to talk about GSX, gold-backed cryptocurrency. So if you're interested in the idea of gold-backed cryptocurrency, stick around to the end where I will shill that. So guys, when it comes to what it takes to buy and sell or invest in cryptocurrency, what I always recommend to new people is checking out crypto.com, crypto.com's exchange. So actually, a better way to start is you need two things when getting involved in buying and selling cryptocurrency. You need to have one, an exchange, and two, a wallet. An exchange is where you buy and sell cryptocurrency. A wallet is the safest way to store your cryptocurrency. So that's kind of the simplest way to describe how you go about buying and selling, transferring and storing your cryptocurrency. There's many exchanges out in the world today. Crypto.com is just what I recommend because it's very simple and easy to use. It's a very streamlined platform, very beginner friendly. So, if you're a new person and you've been hearing about cryptocurrency, you want to get involved in cryptocurrency, I recommend signing up with crypto.com. It's all based on your phone, including their wallet. So, just to summarize, exchanges where you buy and sell. Wallet is the safest way to store your cryptocurrency. There's a saying in cryptocurrency, not your keys, not your crypto. Okay. When you store your cryptocurrency on a wallet, there are many different kinds of wallets out there. It's your cryptocurrency. When you store it on an exchange, it's technically the exchange's cryptocurrency. So just kind of know that you can store and hold your cryptocurrency on an exchange if you'd like, but holding it on a wallet is the easiest way to do so. Now, guys, so for the new people who want to get involved, like I said, I recommend using crypto.com because it's very easy to buy and sell. And then you can also sign up with crypto.com's wallet, and you can connect the wallet to the exchange, and you could very easily, very quickly, move crypto that you buy from the exchange over to your wallet, and so on and so forth. And with this little graphic here, this kind of explains what it takes, what it is like to move cryptocurrency around. It's all based off addresses. So if you're new to cryptocurrency, just be aware that whenever you send cryptocurrency from an exchange to another exchange, an exchange to a wallet, or a wallet to another wallet, it's all based off addresses. So whatever destination you want to sell it to, that destination has an address. So just be aware that whenever you're sending or receiving any kind of cryptocurrency, you need to either if you're receiving cryptocurrency, give that person your address for whatever cryptocurrency, or if you're sending it, you need to have the correct address for the destination you want to send it to. So just be aware, exchanges is where you buy and sell, wallets is where you store it safely, and to move it around from, exchange to wallet, it's all based off addresses. So just know that that's kind of how it works. I hope I'm doing a good job of really explaining this in the simplest way possible. And yeah, y'all, so I recommend signing up for crypto.com. Like I said, it's the easiest way to do so. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. There will be a sign up link where it says 25 or so. If you sign up with crypto.com using my link down below, if you buy a certain amount of crypto.com, you get an extra crow. If you buy a certain amount of crow, which is crypto.com's token, you'll get like a $25 sign up bonus, and I get $25 as well. But that's not at all necessary. Just you can sign up with crypto.com down in the link below. That's really it. And once you sign up with crypto.com, also sign up with their wallet connected to, and then you can move cryptocurrency very easily back and forth here. So I hope I explained this well enough. If you guys have any recommendations on how I could explain this better, just leave that down in the comments. Maybe I'll do an updated video explaining it better. But hopefully I did a good enough job for newbies, just kind of explaining how this whole process kind of works. And yeah, so before I wrap up this video, I want to take the opportunity to talk about gold-backed cryptocurrency, specifically GSX by Apollo Fintech. So this is a brand new cryptocurrency, has not even been released to the exchanges. GSX is made by Apollo Fintech. Apollo Fintech runs these gold mines. They claim half of the profits from these gold mines will go to actually backing the cryptocurrency itself. So this is an interesting idea of gold-backed cryptocurrency. I'm going to leave a link down in the description for a 5% sign-up bonus. If you sign up, if you want to participate in GSX, using my link below, you'll get a 5% sign up bonus, and I get a commission based off that. So I want to make it very clear that this is almost like a sponsorship, because I get a commission if you sign up using that 5% sign up bonus for you down in the description. But before you FOMO into this, please practice risk management, meaning don't invest anything you're not willing to lose. Practice proper portfolio diversification, meaning don't throw all your eggs into one basket. I have my investments spread out over several different cryptocurrencies, and understand your own risk tolerances. Are you very risk averse or are you not? I'm not risk averse, so I decided to participate in this. But please do your own research. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as well to their website, their white paper, and a video where I delve more in depth to what I see as the major pros and cons with this project. So check all those things out. Please do your own research, and if you decide to participate, check out that link down in the description. And as well, if you like what I do here on this channel and you want to support me, there's also the option to donate cryptocurrency directly to myself. Please only do so if you're very well off and you could spare it. The most important thing is that you guys focus on accumulating your own bags for the long term. But if you want to support what I do on this channel, the best way to do so is by donating crypto directly to myself with those addresses down in the description. So yeah, there's that option. And yeah, if you could please like, subscribe, comment, and share. I appreciate the hell out of everyone who supports the channel in any way they do. And that is it, y'all. Take care.